Smith is saying just an observation, you get better mean reversion trades when market opens within previous day's range, and open auction outside range is good for trend moves. I don't like to use open auction out of range. First of all, people don't understand the meaning of open auction. Open auction means market has opened, let's say this is the range. This is where it has opened, has no other references to the left. So what it does, it just auctions around the open. And this is a sign of indecision. Usually, maybe it will pull back inside the previous day's range. So that's not correct way to do it. If you open inside previous day's range, then most likely yesterday's auction is likely to continue. That is absolutely correct. If you really want the markets to move, then this is what we want. We open, test, and move lower, or straight away open and move lower. All right, that also is allowed. So that open auction out of range and all, just see, monitor a few things where the market is opening, whether it's opening inside yesterday's range or not. Okay, once it is open inside yesterday's range, monitor a period, see if we are moving out of the range in a period. If it is, good. If not a, use a plus b. If it happens in a plus b, that is also good, something like this. Makes sense. And then monitor whether we are getting subsequent range extensions like C, D, and then it stops, not good. But if it continues, good. Makes sense. So, and the most important thing is context. Otherwise, it does not matter where we open, what we do, nothing is going to work out because the context was not supported. I would like to give you this example. So see what is happening on these 2 days. We have open outside yesterday's range. This you can call as open auction because we really don't know what is happening. So we are just auctioning around open. And what happens? We come back inside previous day's range as we just discussed. This again is some sort of open auction because this is the open. We are not really sure where we want to go. We auction and then we try to enter yesterday's range. Now, if you just look at the open, and you conclude that okay, we have opened outside of yesterday's range, gap down, we are going to make a big trend day. No, you have to give it some time and see how it trades. Make sense? So if it is confused like this or like this, then it will definitely find it safer to return to the original auction instead of exploring away from it. And then obviously it can, once it decides, it can go and tag new areas. So that is how I would like to look at it.